Hello traders! This time we'll discuss a very relevant topic. Why Bitcoin and the news will probably spoil your analysis. By the way, don't forget to give us ideas for the further videos in the comments below. And of course, please subscribe for our Telegram channel with free setups that usually work out very good. I prefer using this channel instead of screeners because all these setups are published by the real professional traders. So many of you are already making progress in analysis, both technical and order book analysis. But many people forget about fundamental analysis. We often miss something that is much more important than any strong level, any formation, any huge limit order in the order book. I mean the news and the behavior of the BTC. The point is that analysis of setups can give you a really good probability of working out. However, there are circumstances that we cannot control. Get in the habit of starting your day with a news review and an analysis of the potential behavior of the BTC during the day. Very often, when a particular news comes out or when BTC is sharply active, altcoins react immediately, and they react with very sharp movements contrary to your analysis. All the limit orders that seemed reliable corrode in seconds. Reliable levels are not respected by the price, and so on. This happens because of the chain reaction of retail and large capitals to fundamental factors, which, as you already understood, are more important than any analysis. Now you are armed with this information. A general economic news we usually recommend watching through investing.com. And of course, it would be nice to follow the news of the crypto industry through different news aggregators and always watch the BTC movement and its potential direction throughout the day. Thank you for your attention. The video was prepared by the CSCALP Trading Terminal team.